Alright, welcome to week 6. This week we will continue moving forward with the researched argument. So for Monday night you will continue to research to find sources to use in your paper. You will also have the chance to look at some sample argument papers, and you'll write and submit an outline for your argument. You'll have a chance to review and give feedback to yourself on your own outline. We won't do any peer workshop for the outline at this point. You'll also write the introduction of your review or your researched argument and submit that for your peers to review. By Wednesday night, you'll respond to your peers' introductions and give some feedback to yourself, and you'll do that here. You'll also take an in-text citations quiz, write body paragraph 1 and submit that, and submit the links to the 3 sources that you find for your paper. So both Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday you should be spending some time looking for sources, and as well as working on these other assignments. Friday night you will revise your introduction based on your feedback, respond to your peers' body paragraph 1 on this activity. You'll write body paragraph 2 and submit that as well by Friday night. For Saturday, you'll revise body paragraph 1 and submit that. Respond to your peers' body paragraph 2 here. And then write body paragraph 3 and submit it. So by this point, we're almost done with your first draft of your researched argument. Again, I'm here if you need me. Feel free to reach out. I'm also happy to set up Zoom or office visits as necessary.